Hello, that's Halo with the Armageddon Report. This is cyclocane.com. This is the big news of the day. Tropical Storm Debby is alive and kicking out in the Gulf of Mexico. And not only that, Tropical Storm Debby is predicted to become Hurricane Debby later on. So this is the experimental map that I'm working on, where the red line, and you can zoom in as well, the red line is the official NHC predicted path, and all of the rest of these thinner lines are the different models where they think Debby might go. So still a lot of disagreement as to where she may head, because generally you see somewhat of an agreement between, I don't know, 75% of the models, generally in the beginning. Like, for instance, most of them would show it going through Florida, just as an example, but then they might get wildly divergent as time goes on. But so this is very unique, you know, in my eyes or whatnot, to see that they basically, the models have no idea where she's going. Anyway, this is, if you click on that, this is a more detailed map of the official NHC predicted path. Originally, they were showing her booking straight west to Texas. Now they're showing her making landfall in Louisiana and Mississippi, and yeah. So, hurricane status here, that would be 7 a.m. Wednesday, however, tapering off a bit, so possibly a hurricane once she does make landfall in Louisiana, but hopefully tapering off pretty quickly after that. You can see the land hazards. So, for instance, rainfall is often a big thing. So, rain accumulations of 5 to 10 inches with isolated amounts of 15. I believe that's a lot. I don't know. Right, and then tornadoes, or isolated tornadoes, are possible over portions of the west central and southwestern Florida peninsula today, and we'll talk about that shortly. Right, in news of heat, is it summer? I think it must be summer. This is the reddest I think I've seen the map, and most purple, and there's, you know, 107, 101, 109 in Colorado. Is that where the Rockies are? Isn't it supposed to be much colder there? And look at that, 69, 67, not even as cold up there in the northern states, but West Coast, I hate you, look at that, 69, 67, that would be better than like 109, wouldn't it? Anyway, so here is the severe thunderstorm news. So today we have 5 slight risk areas going on for different things. Let's go over to the watches, let's refresh this in case there are new ones. No, there are not. So, this is the Tropical Storm Debby-related tornado threat. So here's your tornado watch in Florida. And here, Montana and North Dakota has a severe thunderstorm watch going on right now. So if we look at the individual probabilities, you'll see wind, 15% in all of these 4 areas. Hail, basically the same exact map, 15% in these areas and 5% down there. And then tornado probabilities is apparently just the coast. So Debby-related tornado threat today, so 5%. So for instance, with the numbers and such, if you pick this random point in Florida, that means there's a 5% chance that that random point or someone within 25 miles of them will see a tornado today. And there's a 100% chance that they will see the outer bands of rain from Tropical Storm Debby or something, I don't know. Tomorrow, slight risk on the coast. So what have we got? Maybe South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, New Jersey, all kinds of places going on with that. Delaware, I don't know what's going on. So if you look at the specific probability map, where they break it down into the numbers, here's your Tropical Storm Debby related thing. So I'm going to guess that that's going to be tornado related once more. So, and then a 5% back here in Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Wyoming. Day after tomorrow, the confusing thing where it says that even though there's a 5% chance, it's just up there, at least as of now. So Montana and North Dakota for the day after tomorrow threat. And then days 4 through 8, predictability too low, which would mean what? It means that there is severe thunderstorms predicted on the horizon, days 4 through 8. However, the timing and or location is not yet certain enough. So if you were to scroll down, you'd actually be able to see the discussion. They might, you know, what did I see? Upper Mississippi Valley was in there. So you'd be actually able to tell maybe where the threat is. But right now, the threat is not certain enough for the Storm Prediction Center to have put something on the map. So yes, severeweathertv.com is where you can see these screencasts in the future or something whenever I remember to update the site. So yes. But of course, if you are in any of these areas today, you should pay attention to WikiWix, which is wickedws.com. There's also weather.gov, Storm Prediction Center for, you know, well, weather.gov is of course related to all US weather. Storm Prediction Center related to thunderstorm weather. And then, of course, if you like hurricanes, or if you don't like hurricanes, you want to know where they are so you can avoid them or something. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And, of course, National Hurricane Center. Well, there's a link down here somewhere. It's nhc.noaa.gov. Right. Anyway, so that's it for today. So hopefully you're not affected by anything, especially, I don't know. If the rain people and the heat people, they should get together. We should have a hurricane or something over the western areas, bring the temperatures down. I don't know, wouldn't that be nice? Anyway, that's what's going on today. Hope you're enjoying your weekend, and hopefully your weekend continues to be enjoyable.